Everybody, and welcome back. I got a great announcement. I'm going to 2 conventions this year, both in the month of October. The first one is MAGCon Germany 2018. I'll be there October 5th through the 7th. The second convention is C4 Central CanadaCon from October 26th to the 28th. Both the cons, I will have a booth. I'll be doing workshops, panels. It's going to be awesome. All the information for these conventions I'll have linked below the video. And while I have your attention, don't forget I stream live on twitch.tv/EvilTedSmith every Monday and Tuesday from 9 to 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Times. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at the conventions. It's so great to be back on the road again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.